Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install an Xfinity Doorbell camera in 2026. Now, before you begin, just make sure that you have basic tools ready, like you need to have a screwdriver, and also you need to check that your home has a working doorbell wiring system. Most of the Xfinity doorbells need 16 to 24-volt power supply, so that's important. So first of all, you need to go to your main switchboard and you need to turn off the power to your doorbell. This is going to keep you safe while installing it. Now, once you have done that, you just have to basically unscrew the existing doorbell and gently put it out. Here you are going to see two wires, so you don't need to disconnect them completely yet. You need to take the mount bracket from your Xfinity doorbell box and you need to fix it onto the wall using screws. Just make sure that it's straight and secure. Attach the two wires to the terminal on your new doorbell camera. It doesn't matter which wire goes where in most of the cases. Just make sure that they are tightly connected. Afterwards, you just have to attach the doorbell camera. So place the camera onto the mounting plate and lock it into the position. Just make sure that it is firm and it is not loose. After that, you just have to basically turn the power back on. So in order to set it up, you need to basically do it inside the Xfinity application. So when you are inside, you just have to basically look for the option of Wi-Fi. After that, you just have to follow further instructions in order to basically connect your doorbell to Wi-Fi. Once it is connected, you can just simply test it by pressing this ring button and see if it is ringing properly or if it is working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.